What's up guys, welcome back to the BMW Guy YouTube channel, and today we're going to be trying to attach an Amazon fin to try and tidy up the aerial. At the moment it's got this less streamlined looking thing. I've already taken the aerial off, so I'm not going to bother sticking it back on. I've ordered this off Amazon. It was £13. The idea is that you screw this into where the thing goes, and it's got a sticky bit and it should eventually stick on. However, we've come across a problem fairly early on, is that it doesn't actually fit. As you can see here, I've already removed one part, which was in and around here, but we're going to have to remove some more to fit it over. It's a bit frustrating, so I'm going to have to get a multi-tool out and trim around here so we can eventually attach it onto the car. Okay guys, so after about half an hour of hacking, I've managed to make the necessary adjustments so it does fit now. So all I need to do is just screw this bit back on to the main bit, and then yeah, we should be good to go. Okay then guys, so the bit's been reattached. I'm just going to screw in the aerial to our aerial mount. It's a bit difficult with this thing attached as well, but we will get there. Might be easier if we just do it. There we are. It's going in nicely now. Nearly there. Right, what I'm going to do just before we stick it down is test that we get some reception. Not that I ever actually use the radio, so if we do, if we don't, it's not a major issue. But it would be nice if it did work. Okay, so let's just switch it onto FM, and there we go, guys.
I'm not sure it's inevitable that you become a person whose resistance change. I think
We have action. So I'm happy that that works now. Didn't actually think it would, so that's always good. Right, now we're going to have to peel off this back. Oh bollocks, I haven't really thought that through. Yeah, so we're going to peel off this adhesive backing now. It seems to be stuck on better than it is to the actual. That's properly sticky actually, this stuff. It's quite hard to do one-handed. Oh, look at that, look. It's bloody come off. Let's do the easier bits first. So guys, it's just going to be easier if I do it with two hands. Yes, I have just put you down. Alright, there we are. Okay, so the adhesive is taken off, and we're just going to give it a wipe so there's not too much stuff underneath the sticky bits. And now we should just stick, if we can get the aerial to bend in the right way, that should just stick on nicely now. I'm just going to hold it down while the adhesive does its magic, and hopefully we'll have a nice good seal around our shark fin, so that when I reach a decent speed it's not going to fly off. There we are guys. Oh, that's going to annoy me, that bit of adhesive. I might have to trim that. A fully functioning BMW style shark fin. I'm definitely going to keep the old aerial though, just in case it flies off. So yeah, that's it guys, that's been my comprehensive how-to video on how to fit an Amazon Chinesey BMW style shark fin aerial. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I've got some, well, this would be quite a good pointy stick. I've got some Climb Air wind deflectors that are coming, as well as a couple of other bits to be able to see as well. I've got a mountain bike in the back of here. So yeah, the M1 series is getting a few jobs done, being well used. About 94,000 miles now. So yeah, like I said, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Cheers.